This guy hired a mongoose, the cobra's natural enemy, to deal with a Cape cobra. Needless to say, it did a pretty good job of taking him out of the house.
A sad animal fact: in their natural habitat, bears don't have someone to scratch their backs.
Still think size matters? Think again.
Oh, hey there. Hey, Chewie. What are you guys doing?
He's absolutely right.
Ruby's like a lion on the hunt. Dad, look at Ruby.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
Bueno, dale, toma, mira que está la papa. Dale, Peri. ¿Qué haces arriba?
They ignored their own dinner to try and steal the horse. After a long-fought battle for survival with literally a dozen lions, this porcupine was finally able to take a side of relief. Watch as this battle for territory turns into a one-sided domination by the elephant.
This raccoon is literally purposely swimming.
You know, raccoons are born entertainers. No script, no reason, just chaos.
It had fallen in, but turns out he just... Está coqueteando. Sí me está, miren. Ay, me está seduciendo totalmente. Uy, uy, uy.
Your options, Earl.
No cardio, please.
They're calling for you. No, you can't get back. No, don't get back on the bus. What the hell?
Teach your dog to ring the bell when he's done with his walk, and your life will never be the same.
Celebrate Halloween too. And no, they don't need costumes.
Only catch him in the act.
They got lucky. That bear turned out to be a scare.
Disney, nature just takes the express entrance.
Pool has officially gone public. Security system.
Chihuahuas really have no idea how tiny they are. Foolproof alarm.
So that's the bear every cartoon was based on.
Hey, I want to watch something different. Can I watch something different? I just need the remote.
In this house, Hugo decides what they watch on the TV.
See you.
Cats feel the safest when they're cozied up in the tightest spots ever.
She only needed a quick place to rest before leaving. Everything's fine.
Speed drinking hack. After constantly annoying this already tired bull, the dog finally learned its lesson.
Thought they had lost their shoes, but it turned out they were victims of a professional thief.
A group of lions decided to turn this crocodile into their lunch, but I would be so intimidated by this.
The referee has something planned for the loser.
Not one, not two, a whole family. She knows exactly where to find a nanny.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. 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 Good morning.
These clever friends cleaned up their mess by themselves without bothering a single human.
Massive whale carcass, an intruding bear tried to crash the party. But the father quickly bared up, bravely defending his family and their meal.
There he goes.
This man somehow knows exactly what you're thinking.
The owner.
This dog's owner missed dinner time by 1 hour. He can't handle that disgrace. If a dog decides that's the spot, that's the spot. No discussion.
Before things get even wilder, don't forget to hit subscribe.
An intense fight, one of them took it a little too far.
Look at him! Look at him! He's balling it up! He's balling it up! Oh my god, he's gonna run away with this pashmina. Oh, babe, say goodbye to this pashmina.
The term scaredy cat does not apply to this one.
He's scratching himself.
This is another snake. I'm not doing it. Like, how do I cancel this party? One right there. There's another one right here. I'm not. What the heck?
Humans can predict hurricanes, but never what their animal soulmates will do next.
What could possibly get this bear off the property? My first guess wouldn't have been a Yorkie, but here we are. The Donut of Chaos is the name of this cat toy in this home.
Pretty sure this isn't the first time he's visited his friend's house.
Are you stuck, honey?
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh no!
Christ, bro! What the? Bro, holy. What the actual? Holy.
Introverts, testing questionable ideas every single day.
Gigi! Stop!
Instructions unclear. These lionesses knew they couldn't take down an adult rhino all on their own, so they decided to use him for a little hunting practice instead.
When there are no kids around, the trampoline attracts a different kind of visitor.
What's your point now, booby?
Stop! What? This is my backyard. This is my...
You're funny.
No, I'm being serious. There's no plane. No.
Down.
Imagine getting a notification from your smart doorbell and seeing this family. But people living in this house don't even have to imagine it. This bear didn't want to wait for Halloween to get treats.
This way. Oh my goodness. No, my goodness. Oh, thank you. Middle of the road, donkey. Come on.
Speaks English?
Good morning, buddy.
Whatever language turkeys speak, he knows it.
Living with a hyperactive roommate be like,
Help me! Help me!
Flash dance, but for cows.
To the property. At first, she was cautious, but once the raccoon stepped into the chicken coop, she didn't hesitate to show him who's boss.
Even the dog's done with it.
Are you serious right now? Oh God. You're gonna get me in trouble.
This is why millennials don't answer the door.
Go. There, go away.
Like a little troll. Troll under the...
He longs to be an inside pig, but his farm needs him. This is the first time the chicken is seeing a mirror.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Out. That's not for you. Bye bye, come on. Oh, cheeky boy.
This mouse didn't come for food. He came to make a statement.
He knows he's the main character. This little guy clearly just wants his mom's attention.
Power move.
It might be the king of the jungle, but watching 10,000 pounds of angry tusks and muscle come charging at you is gonna make you change your attitude real quick. These lions belonging to a pride saw an exiled lion resting on their turf, so they decided to assert their dominance and show who's the real boss around these areas.
Guess what day it is?
安生，你别舔了，那是你弟弟呀，你舔它干嘛呀？一会儿把他头舔秃噜皮了。那你舔吧，反正你弟弟有蛋蛋，你没有。你没有。
with my one true best friend.
Running with the ducks' food? Not on their watch. A common cat versus dog fight turned not so common after a bunch of angry cats decided to form their own mini pride against the dog.
Language like
These two northern elephant seals engage in a brutal battle for the right to mate with the female.
Alles gut?
This elephant wandered a little too far from its habitat and landed in this family's backyard.
Stop eating that!
Kept bothering this giraffe.
I don't think the officer's supposed to be there.
Pigs are very social animals. This is how they greet each other.
Here's what work smarter, not harder looks like for dogs.
Were you trying to get my groceries? Oh, nope, 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 nope. Hi.
Peacocks are strange creatures. They're doing this for no reason at all.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no.
Wondering how you get out of the chickens. Well, you don't. They love you now. You're one of them. I wish that was true. It's not.
This horse might seem aggressive, but he's just defending his many wives and kids from a crocodile that snatched a few as lunch before.
College campus. Now exams aren't the students' biggest problem.
Someone gonna be cleaning that up, and you better believe it's not the dogs. This zebra shows you the perfect example of keep struggling no matter what life throws at you, even lions. He likes his meal. This magpie is addicted to dog food, so it breaks in to get some every day.
当猫咪遇到交配的时候，会有什么化学反应呢？
During a fight between chimps at the zoo, this one decides to weapon up with a stick. Come on, buddy, that's cheating. Well, 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 if it isn't the consequences of his own action.
Two on the job, the house will be safe.
Size difference aside, that courage deserves respect.
Jerry, don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Where my grandma's at!
No regrets. Not sure what happened between them, but legend says the black bear can still be found hanging on that tree to this day.
This chaos? Oh yeah, it was definitely planned months in advance.
The owner of this place put out some birdseed, but got a visit from some unexpected food experts.
Even being surrounded by two wolves was nothing for this little guy. I guess they don't call it a Wolverine for nothing.
Tiny run! Get him, Tiny!
National Geographic spends thousands of dollars on equipment and crews to catch what this homeowner caught on his security cameras.
This is.
Oh, I'm so
Wait, are you serious? Boys, Kevin, move on.
While escaping from a human diver, this mimic octopus ran into a mantis shrimp. Now, how did that get there?
Sometimes the ones who love you most do it quietly, sometimes very loudly. Meet the new neighbors, a bear family who clearly moved in for the kids' toys, not the rent.
Please explain.
This one took Take a Seat too seriously.
Never step outside again. Alligators look slow until they don't. Stay sharp.
带一堆人能不能留住我电脑？能不能啊？你看，你把我这 Windows 7的系统都给我打开了，是要给我更新系统吗？啊，更新系统吗？啊？
Back up, back up, back up. Hey! Out. Out. Out.
Carpet Snake had a long day climbing trees and regretting life choices.
Big Bryce.
Oh, listen to Gary.
Camels are just secret ballerinas.
What is Alan doing in the house? Did you let Alan into the house, Echo? Yeah.
This crocodile learned that there was more to a delicious trunk than what he could see underwater. His whole world tilted. Works every time.
Oh my God. Close it, close it, close it. We got him out, we got him out. It's for the
Oh my.
This is your reminder to not mess with a vicuña, as even this fox couldn't handle its life-threatening stomps.
Get inside! Get inside!
I know, I did. I did.
Yeah, I think he can see that.
Okay, maybe
ไหมมึงออกมาเถอะขนาดเนี้ยไม่เอาไม่กินไหม
Having her own puppies wasn't enough, so she decided to adopt a kitten too.
Leopard is considered superior to a cheetah. This mama cheetah certainly didn't care as she protected her cub from the young leopard.
It's a very self-sufficient dog. He doesn't need his owner to play fetch. When the homeowner put these plants on their porch, they didn't realize they were setting the table for a whole family of wild boars.
Chicken said, "Move over, ducks. I'm joining the club." An unbelievable speed to casually dodge the jaws of the strongest reptile in the animal kingdom. Warthog 1, Crocodile 0.
Sunshine, swimming pool, and no humans in sight. A bird got stuck in the pool and caught the dog's attention, not because he wanted to eat it, but for the opposite reason. He wanted to help, and in the end, he did. The squirrel must have just moved in, and it knows the rules. Never show up empty-handed.
Just a reminder, big cats are still around town. Stay aware. Stay safe.
Out, even a bear enjoys a swimming pool. This one didn't ask for permission. He just treated himself to a spa day in this backyard. If you put out some cat food outside, you'll attract all kinds of visitors.
This cow wanted to test the theory. Is the grass greener on the other side?